Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Group. And now we are going to continue our classes, that is the number system. So today number system lecture number 6. Let us start the class. So their number system lecture 6. So in the lecture number 5 we have done up to the 9, that is finding unit digit. And in lecture number 5 we explained finding unit digit in the two group. First group, just like when there is a number, unit digit is given either 0, either 1, either 5 or either 6, this type. So now today we are finding unit digit. If any number is given, then how can we find our unit digit? So just recap of this, just like total number of digit is what? That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have done this concept in the previous class also. So now we know if there is a 0, any power of 0 give only 0. If there is a 1, any power 1 only 1. And if this is 5, any power of 5 only 5. And if this is 6, any power of 6 give only 6. So only these 4 digit, only for 4, this 4 digit 0, 1, 5, 6. Any power is given, so digit not change. So for this type of question we have already done. Now what will happen if our unit digit is given either 2, either 3, either 4, either 7, either 8 or 9? Then how can we find our answer? So let us see the example. Just like there is a one example, suppose it is given 272 to the power what? That is given 28. In the same way, this is 153 and it is given how much? That is 64. And again this is 217 and this is given how much? 40. So here power is given to, that is 28, 64 and 40. And our unit digit is what? 2, 3 and 7. So if the unit digit is 2, then if we will multiply this number, the unit is changes. For example, you see, just like we are going to 2 to the power 1, always 2, and 2 to the power 2, 4, 2 power 3, 8, 2 power 4, 60. That means when we are increasing, changing the power of 2, the value changes. Okay, but it is not the case in 5, 6, 0 and 1. So here simple technique is what? When unit digit is 4, then just make the power of 4. And now any power of this will give only 6. Why? Because 2 to the power is what? 16. And here 16, that means unit digit. Now any number of time we will multiply, our unit digit will be what? 6. In the same way, suppose 3. Again convert this as a power of 4. So if this is a 3 to the power 4. So you know well 3 to the power 4 is what? 81. Unit digit is 1. So again if we put any power of n, it will give how much? Unit digit 1. Similarly here 4. If again we will convert this 4 to the power 4. So you know 4 to the power 4 is how? So just to check like this, 4, 4, 4. So 4 4 ja 16, unit 6. Again 4 4 ja 16 units. So 6 into 6, 36. So unit will be what? 6. So here unit digit is 6. Again you see this is 7. So this is 7 to the power 4 to the power. Again you know this is 7 to the power 4. So if this is 7 to the power 4, then unit will be what? 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7, 49. So 9 unit. Here 7 into 7, 49. 9 unit. So 9 into 9, 81. So unit will be 1. So any power of 7 to the power 4, any power, it will give only 1. In the same way, this is 8 to the power 4. And now again power n. So here 8 to the power 4, if we write 8 4. So 8 8 8 4 times. So 8 8 ja 64 unit 4. Again 8 8 ja 64 unit 4. So 4 4 ja 16. Our unit will be what? That is 6. In the same way 9 to the power 4 to the power. If it is 9. Again make power of 4 and now you see 9 4 times. So 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. So 9 9 ja 81. Again second 9 9 ja 81. So unit is 1 into 1 1. So 1. So what we understood? If if in my question any other digit except 0, 1, 5 and 6. Always if an other digit except this 4, then you can convert this digit as a power of 4. Now here my question 272 to the power 28, 153 to the power 64 and 217 to the power 40. So here our unit digit is 4. So what we will do, see. So unit is 2, so 2 power 4 and this is 28. So 4 7 are 28. Now you see 2 power 4 is what? 16. So any power is given, we will get what? 6. So unit digit of this part will be 6. In the same way you see here, unit is what? 3. So same rule again we will apply. This is 3 to the power 4. So now divide 64, 4 1 are 4 then. So 3 power 4 to the power 16 because 16 4 are 64. Now 3 power 4 is what? Always give 1. You are seeing here 3 power 4 and always give 1. So here unit digit will be what? 1. Now in the same way you see here unit digit is what? 7. Again same technique, 7 to the power 4 and now power will be what? So this is 40, so 10. Now you know 7 to the power 4, any power we put now, our answer will be what? 1. Because we know 7 to the power 4 to the power n is what? 1. So this is 1. Now my direct answer is 6 into 1, 6 and 6 into 1, 6. So our correct answer will be what? 6. So 6 is the right answer for this question. Again repeating the same, listen. So this is the question 272 power 28, 153 power 64, 217 power 40. We are finding unit digit. For this, first of all you check what is unit. If unit is 0, 1, 5, 6, then no change. Okay, if 0 unit will be 0, if 1 unit will be 1, if 6 unit will be 6, if 5 unit will be 5. But except of this 4 digit, just like here 2. So convert this 2 as a power of 4. So 2 to the power 4 and now divide the given power by 4. 4 7 are 28. So here 2 power 4 to the power 7. So 2 power 4, any number is given, my answer will be what? 6. In the same way here unit is 3. So again convert as a power of 4. So 3 to the power 4 and divide your 64 by 4, it is 60. Now 3 4 always given. How? So you know well 3 3 3 4 times. 3 3 are 9 and here 3 3 are 9. So 9 9 are 81. Any power is given 1. Same rule is here 7 units. So 7 to the power 4 and now divide given power by 4, 10. So 7 power 4 always give 1 because 7 7 7. 7 7 are 49 and here again next to 7 49. So 9 9 are 41. So correct answer is what? 6. Now I am explaining other example. See. So suppose this is 7. Other example 7 to the power 88 and 2 to the power 92 and 5 to the power 95. Okay, we have to find what is our unit digit. So again you know that this is 7. So this is not 0 1 5 6. So it will change. So technique is what? just convert as a power of 4. Here 88, so 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8. And now again this is 2, so change this number, 2 power 4, 4 to the 8, 4 3 the. This is 5. So you know well, if unit digit is 5, then no tension, always unit will be what? 5. So this is simply 5. Now you see 7 4 always give what? 1. And this is 2 4 always give what? 6. And this is 5, so our correct answer is what? 0, because 6 5s are 30, unit is what? 0, so this is our correct answer. Okay, one more example, see. So just like this is 222 power 94 and plus 5 to 9 to the power 96. Okay, again you are seeing here 2 and here 9. So it is not a number 0 1 5. If 0 1 5 is no tension, same day, but here 2. So again technique is what? Just make power 2 to the power 4, 4 to the 8, and this is a 1. But here you are checking, that is here this is not divisible by 4. Just like 2 to the power 4, so 4 to the 8, 1, 14. So this is 4 3 the 12. So now 2 remainder. So when it is not divisible by 4, remainder came, then very simple, 2 to the power remainder. So listen again, this is 2 power 4. So divide the given number by 4. So 4 to the 8 and then 1, so 14, 4 3 the 12, 2 remainder. So base is 2, so 2 to the power remainder. Same process with here 9. So 9 to the power 4 and here 16. So 4 to the 8, 4 4 the 16. Here remainder is what? 0. So this type of question when not divisible by 4, we will write like this. Now you see 2 power 4 always gives 6. So this is 6 and 2 power 2 is what? That is 4. Here 9 power 4 always give 1. So our answer is 6 4 the 24. 4 is the correct answer. So this is the example where power is given such that which is not divisible by 4. So if it is divisible by 4, okay. If it is not divisible by 4, then also okay. We can like solve like this. Just like a 2 power 4 divide 94, remainder 2. So base is 2, so 2 power 2 and the second 9. So it is totally divisible. So it is there. But here my sign is what? Plus. Here plus. So here multiply and here plus. So 6 4 are 24. You will get what? 4 and plus 1. So answer will be direct what? 5, because here not multiply, here plus, so here also plus. So here 1 and here 24 4. So 4 plus 1 is what? 5. So our 5 is the correct answer. Okay, now one more example. This is the mixed example of every C. Just like this is given 2 to the power 17 and 7 to the power 21 and this is 6 to the power 95. Okay, so here 2. So again we will convert 2 to the power 4. So this is 4 4 is 16. 1 remainder, so it become what? 2 to the power 1. In the same way, this is 7 to the power 4. 4 5s are 20. Again 1 remainder, so 7 to the power 1. But here given 6, so you know well, if our unit digit is 6, then any power unit digit will be same. So here unit digit is only 6. Now this is 2 to the power 4, 16. So any power give you 6. And here 2. Here 7 power 4 to the power 5. So always give 1. Here 7, here 6. So our answer will be 6 into 2, 12. 2 unit. 2 7 are 14, 4 unit, 4 6 are 24. So our correct answer will be 1. So now you are able to solve every type of the question for finding unit digit. Okay. So you can solve every type of question. If you are facing problem, you can go for masses also. So we have done every type of question technique for finding unit digit. Thank you.